Work at Old and New Secretariat comes to a complete halt as employees take mass casual leave, demanding 7th pay commission. Education Minister Rathesh Shyam expresses concern about decrease in creativity among school children, asks parents and teachers to foster it. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee seeks disqualification of 12 parliamentary secretaries. And R.K. Kaiku wins Best Actor Award, Tonthoy Laysangthem Best Actress, Nang Nakapapakchade bags Best Feature Film Award. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Prime Time English News and I'm Premi Thangjam with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Work at the Old and New Secretariat came to a complete halt as employees are on a mass casual leave to press their demand for implementation of the 7th Pay Commission. Despite the appeal made by Chief Secretary R.R. Rashmi, Manipur Government Services Federation took mass casual leave and did not report for duty. Offices in the Secretariat remained closed as the employees did not report to work, affecting the work of the various departments under the government of Manipur. The personnel of Imphal Police Station arrested 5 members of the Federation in connection with the strike. It may be mentioned that Chief Secretary R.R. Rashmi has appealed to the Manipur Government Services Federation not resort to mass casual leave or any form of agitation. In a letter to the President of the Federation, the Chief Secretary said a fitment committee formed by the government is working out modalities or revised pay scales for the implementation of the 7th Commission's recommendations in the state. Education Minister Thokchom Rathesh Shyam today expressed concern about decrease in creativity among school children as the students are being treated as mechanical machines by parents and teachers. He appealed to parents and teachers to foster creativity among children. The minister was speaking at the 38th Foundation Day of Manipur Public School Koiringai today. Rathesh Shyam said both the parents and teachers should have proper communication with the children and influence the process of improving creativity. He also emphasized that the students need to manage time and learning at classrooms will not ensure quality education. Outstanding students of the school were also encouraged at the event by presenting with gifts. Education as Director T.H. Kiran Kumar also attended the celebration, which was highlighted by cultural performances of the students.
Please educate them how to make right choice. Pung nipan makai dagi larik bora khawa ma hapthrani pung ani makai ahu makai dang halani tuition tawai nang tawalani oja sing nasu larik ya mahening madagi school la khitang takpi rega homework dama pisil le yum dana mama ga mapa ga do kana no homework tawni khanare. We are making our children like a mechanical kind of machine in a onthok pi reba. That is how akoi angang sing si creative oiba kenoi bu watchil leba aduna aina hygienic is let us not aina hygienic madi there are no failures in life ta punsi hai se sirf fail hoi bai se leite only lessons to be learned.
A 2-member team led by Director, Projects Land Port Authority of India, Ministry of Home Affairs P.K. Mishra visited the Passenger Terminal Building Integrated Checkpost ICP now under construction at Mori. The team arrived in Mori today on a 2-day visit to see the construction of Integrated Checkpost at Mori Gate Number 1. It showed the Passenger Terminal Building, Cargo Terminal Building, ICP and boundary fencing. P.K. Mishra directed the workers to complete the ICP building within a week and had talks with National Highway Infrastructure Development Limited, Department of Commerce and Industries.
ICP का प्रोग्रेस ठीक चल रहा है और पैसेंजर टर्मिनल बिल्डिंग का जो साइड है वो हमारा 99% कंप्लीट हो गया है और विद इन आई थिंक 2 वीक्स ये पूरा कंप्लीट हो जाएगा और फिर हम इसको फैसिलिटी को ऑपरेशनलाइज करने के लिए तैयार हो जाएंगे। लास्ट विजिट से लेके अभी तक मैंने देखा काफ़ी चीज़ कंप्लीट हो गया And hopefully by the next visit we will be ready to operationalize the facility.
Police has been able to rescue a 15-year-old boy from Langathel, Kangjibung Laikai who went missing yesterday. The missing report of Moirang Themsitaljit, 15 years, son of Mpak Chao Maitai from Langathel, Kangjibung Laikai, Khongjom, was filed at Khongjom Police Station last evening around 5. A team of police led by OC Khongjom found him and handed over to his family safe and sound this morning. The team of Khongjom Police conducted a search operation in Chakpi Karung along with the team of OC Chakpi Karung. The boy was discovered in a building under construction in Chakpi Karung Bazaar area around 6 in the evening. Manipur University Students' Union MUSU said the controversy regarding name of new boys' hostel of Manipur University has been resolved. The name of the hostel has been changed from the proposed Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Boys' Hostel to K. Baching Men's Hostel after a meeting with the Vice-Chancellor of the university today. Addressing media persons at his office, MUSU President Buchi Mayanglambam said all boys' hostels are named after hillocks in the state while girls' hostels are named after flowers grown in the state. He said MUSU was not consulted while naming the new and the 5th boys' hostel by the university authorities, leading to chaos. Buchi condemned Democratic Students Alliance Manipur Desam for interfering in MUSU matters. As a part of academic activities initiated by MUSU, a lecture-cum-interaction program was organized on October 23rd. Political Counselor of Embassy of the Republic of Korea, New Delhi, Park Jun-shio spoke on the changing dynamics of Korea-India relations and bilateral between South Korea and Manipur. Park Jun said apart from the racial similarities between Manipur and South Korea, both being a Mongoloid race, there are many other similarities in lifestyle, culture, food habits, and even sports like Mukna. MUSU President Buchi said MUSU is also making efforts to start student and cultural actions program in order to enhance the relationship between South Korea and Manipur University.
Ngarang desam na phongbe posi election me naksilakpagi election gi propaganda na na khoi lojai musuna puksial seng na tawriba thabak khudimak sibu ekhoi na kitang la na torgam khoi na credit launa nabagi mawong simasu ekhoi Manipur University Students Union na kitang masi nuaijade adana masi matung da tawbitana ba aduga any kind of grievances leima tamda leiriba mapan gi organization loop sing sina ekhoi punna university gi ekhoi apex body oin leiba musuga ekhoi punna khusamnaraga thabak tawminaba yaba sing se ekhoi dum punna tathok tasin taroga tawmina se habasi masu thamjage aduna tabida isa isa gi kanana bagi damakta sai gi naron dagi changsel aga khudong chab lauraga propaganda sandok piba simai ekhoi tawbigano have weapons simasu koi media gi thong da thamjage.
District Handlooms and Textile Office Imphal West organized one-day awareness program on Handloom and Handicrafts Delivery Scheme, Mudra Scheme and National Handlooms and Handicraft Development Program at Loitang Kuno Spinning Mill ground today. Speakers at the program spoke about the benefits provided by Mudra Scheme for women weavers of the country, including insurances. Speaking as chief guest at the event, Sekmai MLA H. Dingo stressed the need to improve the economy of the state through handloom and handicraft products. He added, the Prime Minister, acknowledging the contribution of women towards the development of the country, has introduced various schemes exclusively for women. He said the Mudra scheme will promote women weavers of the state. Dingo said the hardly 6-month-old BJP-led government is putting all-out efforts to implement all schemes initiated by the Prime Minister in the state. He maintained when people of the state avail themselves of the benefits provided by these schemes, the economic condition of the state will automatically improve.
Women singbu hena yokhatpa hena chakolom no honabada asoba thogang lori badumba sarkar amakhabne Sri Modi ji gi makhada no ono scheme mayamama puthoroktana ko ni POB gi singda apply tawdana hojik atopa date singda ko apply tawba hawrabni loinana smart tawdana ko gi kelaba matam ko Manipur su ko gi sumna tangi tha taruk kangai ba nauna panjarakni ba sarkar sidasu mato na ming changsal ko loinana ko paliba ko honorable Sri Biren makhada koi nipi sing gi damakta koi scheme mano ba mayam putharaktana koi hena chokolom na lambi da koi khumang choksen na honori.
One-day awareness program on handloom and handicraft delivery scheme and mudra scheme was held today at Kakching. The district handloom and handicrafts Kakching district organized the program at Library and Information Center, Kakching. Women weavers of various handloom clusters in Kakching district attended the event. Speaking at the program, Kakching MLA Y. Surchandra urged the weavers to produce attractive handloom products. Tangkhul Naga Aze Longphang Southern Tangkhul Union How Me Research Guild and Protection and Preservation Committee Manipur PPCM jointly organized an awareness program with the objective to strengthen the relationship between the people of hills and valley by discoursing on the theme Manipur Gi Puwari Khangminaba at Sungri 5 Village Community Hall under Kasom Khulan block today. Representatives of 86 southern Tangkhul villages, history researchers and teachers, language experts and representatives of various civil society organizations of both hills and valley took part in the program. Speakers at the event emphasized the close bond that existed between Tangkhuls and Meiteis as recorded in history or folklores and said they have same origin but Tangkhul settled in the hills while Meitei in the valley. They maintain that integrity of Manipur can be preserved if all the generations are made aware of their past through stories or written text.
Hannage ahansingna ekoi butam birakpa amana iyambani amana inauni hana lairambado mado ashengba pu wari khangmina ba hebse ekoi mayamgi khampham thokpani madoga sigi meeting gi main objective ti ekoi mayam phap tanaraga ichini inau hebse children of the same family hebse ekoi phap tamina ningai hebse sigi objective ni
Manipur da lairiba jati khuding bak asi ekhoina khangnaruba tanarugi matungina lairiba jati mapung oina kabui hairsi adai langmai hairsu tangkhul hairsu lairiba singsi punna Manipur da lairiba meitei singsiga naknaba wari hominarakpagi kaminarakpagi wari mayam asi mathang mathang ekhoina putoktana thiminaraba matungdadi Manipur da laiminariba khuding bak asi hojik lainariba khaibong taba Manipur asi dagi mapum oiba apunma Manipur ama sagalakpa matamda achawa mateng oigani haibase ekhoigi thajajabani.
Thoubal commander arrested a cadre of KCP and this morning from his house. The cadre is identified as Moirangthem Bengo, 30 years, son of Moirangthem Sacho from Yairipok Yambem, now staying at a Wangsekmai Laipad. Acting on a tip-off, Thoubal commander arrested him from his house around 9 a.m. It's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while with more news updates. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the break and you're watching Primetime English News. As its first ever major attack on the new government led by Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren, Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee has sought disqualification of 12 parliamentary secretaries. The party has written to Governor Dr. Najma Haptullah urging disqualification of the 12 parliamentary secretaries. MPCC President Ian Haukip today asserted that the Supreme Court is against the appointment of parliamentary secretary. He also stated that the Governor of Manipur has a power to disqualify the 12 parliamentary secretaries under Article 192 of the Constitution of India. Speaking to media persons at Congress Bhavan, BT Road, Ian Haukip said a representation has been submitted to the governor requesting her to disqualify the 12 parliamentary secretaries. The MPCC president said he is hopeful that the governor will use her wisdom and take positive steps. It may be mentioned that of the 12 parliamentary secretaries, 7 have already tendered their resignation from the post of parliamentary secretary. The 7 MLAs are Laurembam Rameshwar, Nahakpam Indrajit, Kongkham Robindro, Tauchom Satyabarta, Haikam Dingo, Astap Uddin, Dr. Sapam Rajan. 5 MLAs, namely Laisangthep Susindro Maitai, Soibam Subhash Chandra, Kasim Vashum, K. Laishio and Awangbo Nyumai are still parliamentary secretaries. The MPCC president warned of severe consequences if the governor of Manipur do not disqualify all the 12 parliamentary secretaries.
Article 192 Constitution of India na pibagi matungin Governor is competent to disqualify Parliamentary Secretary. Maram the upholding office of profit. On the same vein, in 2004, Madam Sonia Gandhi, as chairperson of National Advisory Council Oina, Masana resigned Tauraga, Amuk midterm Magi fresh mandate Tignaraga Amuk Parliament the Halapani. Now the question is whether this 12 parliamentary secretary will remain as it is or they will face disqualification under Article 192 of Indian Constitution.
The 3-month pre-recruitment training organized by 6th Sikh Light Infantry Regiment at its post at Kuga concluded today. The training was held with the objective to help the youth of Manipur lead a meaningful life. The trainees were also presented with gifts at the closing event. They will participate in the army recruitment rally to be held at Ranga Pahar. The training program was held under the guidance of Commandant Mukesh Kumar.
This entire coaching has was commenced in the month of August, and it has gone about for about 3 months. The students have greatly benefited. As you can see, the strengths itself speak about the success that we have achieved. I wish all the students are very best for the written examination, and I'm very sure that the hard work that they have put in consonance with the guidance that we have provided, they'll be able to make it without any hurdle.
Postal Employees Union Manipur Division has condemned the planting of bomb at the house of Alhaj Abdul, son of late Samsurdin Ngarang at Kaikomakalayka yesterday. Alhaj Abdul works as a postal assistant at Imphal Hat Post Office. Northeast Dialogue Forum has condemned the murder of a Naga woman by the man in broad daylight at the New Market, Dimapur on Monday. In a press release, the forum called for stringent punishment for the culprit. A workshop on National Ayush Mission was held today to make the people aware of the components of the mission taken under Ministry of Ayush. State Ayush Society Manipur organized a one-day program at IRE Group of Institutions, Wangjing. Speakers at the program spoke on health and hygiene, lifestyles, diseases and its management through Ayurveda and yoga for health. They also stressed the importance of Ayush in the treatment of various diseases. District Project Officer SSERTE Senapati District will conduct a training program on Level U, DISE and SDMIS at Multipurpose Hall Senapati at 11 a.m. tomorrow. Headmasters and authorized of all government and private schools in the district have been asked to take part in the program. 25 trainees were distributed certificates at the concluding event of Entrepreneurship Skill Development Program on Food Processing and Preservation at Sustainable Opportunity for Livelihood, Seoul's office in Sega Road, Takelambam, Laikai today. Seoul organized the Entrepreneurship Skill Development Program on Food Processing and Preservation in collaboration with MSME Development Institute, Imphal, under the aegis of the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Industries from August 18 to September 28. Trainees were taught preparation of different foods and leadership skills required to become successful entrepreneurs during the 6-week training programs. Speaking as chief guest, former MLAs Dr. K.H. Lokin urged the trainees not to remain idle after the training.
Production si ekoi karmai to kana ekoi marketing to bodege ekoi machine si training pagabo natung da ekoi criminal le to bonata by current job sarkar ni ata ekoi niku bani mara upokta banina ekoi leiba bharat ta leiba masu manipur leiba dai dai shu leiba adu tamam ba sinbanda ꯆꯪꯕ ꯉꯝꯍꯧꯗꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯁꯤꯟꯐꯝꯗ ꯆꯠꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯜ ꯗꯤꯕꯦꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯜ ꯗꯤꯕꯦꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯔꯕꯅꯤ.
The Home Ministry has asked all states to ensure safety and security of journalists in exercising freedom of speech and expression in the wake of incidents of attacks on media persons. In advisory to the states, the Home Ministry also said all cases of attacks on journalists should be investigated promptly to ensure that criminals get prosecuted in a time-bound manner. The central government's missive has sent in the wake of the killing to journalists Gauri Lankesh in Bangalore and Santanu Bhowmik in Agartala. Manipur State Film Development Society today announced the 9th and 10th Manipur State Film Awards. Nang Nakapapakchade has bagged the Best Feature Film Award in the 9th Manipur State Film Award. Director of the film, Mani Mongsaba, also won the Best Director Award. Tonthoilai Sangthem won the Best Actress Award for her role in Nang Nakapapakchade. R.K. Kaiku won the Best Actor Award for his role in the film Nong Matang. Program Coordinator of Impact TV, Tommy Hodam, bagged the Best Editor Award for the film BDF Thasana in the 9th Manipur State Film Award. Pumsang bagged the Best Non-Feature Film Award. KARFEW the Best Short Film, and Soft Target the Best Film on Social Issues in the 9th Manipur State Film Award. Chairman of the 9th and 10th Manipur State Film Award Organizing Committee and Commissioner of Art and Culture announced the awards at the preview hall of MFTS. In the 10th Manipur State Film Award, Loktak Laidenbi bagged the Best Feature Film Award. Director of Aibusu Yahunbiu Maipaksana Haurongbam won the Best Director Award. T.H. Kelemba won the Best Actor Award for his role in Aibushu Yahunbiu. Best Actress Award went to Jasmine Ilangbam for her role in Kuzinda Yotpi. Tommy Hodam won the Best Audiography for Aibushu Yahunbiu. Ima Sabitri bagged the Best Non-Feature Film Award. Ima Laibaki Damak won the Best Short Film, and Aishu Hingli Nakoigum the Best Film on Social Issues or Sports in the 10th Manipur State Film Award. Renowned actress Lauren Bampishak bagged the Lifetime Achievement Award for the 9th Manipur State Film Award, while renowned actor Oinam Biramangol won the Lifetime Achievement Award in the 10th Manipur State Film Award.
यारेगे थूना तांग साबा ओकेजन में यंगा कोई मतलब याम थूना कोई लीप पनी तो लीप का कोई पब्लिकली उदम अनाउंस तो जर के न कोई उदम थम जगे फिल्म पॉलिसी के से ऑलरेडी स्टेट सिने पॉलिसी न मदी लेरबा फिल्म फ्रेटर्निटी के साइट तगी इम्प्रूवमेंट तो यारेगे तो मुझे कंट्रीब्यूशन कर तो नहीं हर को वापम ले बतगी अमुक सु मतम कर का पीरगा कमेंट्स एंड व्यूज कर का को किसी न कोई थाम मतम संगा कोई पिजगी बनी रयाम नुंगाइबम नमो 48th इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल से कोई याव लाओ रीजनल फोकस हाइन तो बसे मणिपुर स्टेट से तो गनी हाइन गोवा के फिल्म फेस्टिवल से इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल से कोई पार्टिसिपेट तो न बन पे साइड से कोई वारी सानजर मणिपुर फिल्म इंडस्ट्री फिल्म की सिदगी दे कोई याम का है ना लिप तोड़ कर रहा है वो कोई आशा हुई.
Practice session is going on for the Manipuri team participating in the BCCI associated and affiliated under-19 girls cricket tournament. Northeast State's team and Bihar team will face each other in the tournament organized under the aegis of Board of Cricket Control in India in Dhanbad on November 1st. Both the winners and runners-up in the tournament will participate in All India Knocked Out Girls under-19 cricket tournament, which will be held in North Zone, East Zone, West Zone, South Zone and Central Zone. 20 selected players are currently taking part in the residential camp at Luangpokpa Cricket Playground. Only 15 players will be selected out of the 20 on October 28. Secretary of Manipur Cricket Association appealed for people's cooperation in their efforts under the aegis of BCCI to produce good cricketers from the state.
अखोगी टूर्नामेंट कन्ना पांथुनब सेम सारी बीसीसीआई दगी ngasi मी लाग लेरे अखोगी मनी क्रिकेट से अखोगी एजुकेशन प्रोग्राम अमा तवो ओइना एंटी करप्शन एंड एंटी डोपिंग एजुकेशन वर्कशॉप ममंग हयेंग होटिंग क्लासिक ता पुंग मापन मखाई दगी हौर अखोई तवगनी नवंबर की डेट 6 तगी अखोई मणिपुर रिक्वेस्ट तवबदगी लेवल 1 की अंपायर फॉर नॉर्थ ईस्ट एंड बिहार की वर्कशॉप अमा सु तवगनी बीसीसीआई ना रिक्वेस्ट रखपदगी टैलेंट हन अमा तवरगा मसदगी सेलेक्टेड प्लेयर सिंजे अखोगी कंबाइन टीम ओइना अखोगी इंडिया की Senior Women Team da soina saruk yarani.
The General Body Meeting of Executive Council of Manipur Badminton Association (MBA), scheduled for October 29, has been postponed to April 22, 2018. Before we end the bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Work at all and new secretariat comes to a complete halt as employees take mass casual leave, demanding 7th pay commission. Education Minister Radhesham expresses concern about decrease in creativity among school children, asks parents and teachers to foster it. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee seeks disqualification of 12 parliamentary secretaries. And RK Kaiko wins Best Actor Award. Tontoy Laysangtham Best Actress. Nang Nakapapakchade bags Best Feature Film Award.